Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 15th, 2025, and we're diving into JPMorgan Chase's fourth quarter earnings report for 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. JPMorgan Chase has just released their Q4 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. JPMorgan Chase reported a total net revenue of $42.8 billion for Q4 2024, which is an 11% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is quite impressive, driven by strong performance across various segments, particularly in investment banking and asset management. The net income also saw a significant jump to $14 billion, marking a 50% increase from the previous year, highlighting the bank's robust profitability.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. JPMorgan Chase reported an adjusted EPS of $4.81, surpassing the analyst forecast of $4.02. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a significant beat, with the actual EPS exceeding expectations by a substantial margin. It reflects the bank's strong operational performance and effective cost management. The fact that 8 analysts had forecasted a lower EPS indicates that JPMorgan Chase outperformed market expectations considerably.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the revenue growth, JPMorgan Chase managed to keep its non-interest expenses relatively stable at $22.8 billion. How did they achieve this, John?
The bank has been focusing on operational efficiencies, which is evident from their stable expense figures. Their efficiency ratio stands at 53%, indicating effective cost control. Looking ahead, JPMorgan Chase is optimistic about its strategic initiatives, which include digital transformation and expanding its wealth management services.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the performance of JPMorgan Chase's key segments?
Certainly. Investment banking generated $9.1 billion in revenue, driven by strong advisory and underwriting activities. Asset management also performed well, with $5.8 billion in revenue. Consumer banking remains a cornerstone, contributing $18.4 billion. The bank's strategic focus on digital and wealth management is expected to drive future growth.
CEO and leadership insights. What insights can we gather from the leadership's commentary on this earnings report?
While we don't have a direct statement from the CEO, the leadership's focus is clearly on sustaining growth and fostering innovation. JPMorgan Chase is well positioned in the market, and the leadership team is confident in their strategic direction, particularly in expanding their digital and wealth management capabilities.
Key takeaways. In summary, JPMorgan Chase has delivered a strong performance in Q4 2024, with impressive revenue and earnings growth. The bank's strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies are paving the way for a positive future outlook. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing JPMorgan Chase's performance. The bank is certainly on a solid path forward.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on JPMorgan Chase's performance in the comments below.